Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to make your public profile on Pinterest. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can tap on again profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. And after this you can see the second option, that is profile visibility. Tap on it and here you can just simply disable the option that is private profile and also disable the option that is search privacy. After disable this option, the account is public and it is a way you can make public profile on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.